Now, children, today let's start with chapter number 8, Life in Village and Towns. So, in this chapter, we will study about the life of the village. So, the kings and the kingdoms that were studied about the people. Chapter could have existed without the support of flourishing village. So, the most of the people living in the village were farmers. They belong to three broad categories: very rich landowners, small landowners, landless labor. If we talk about in South India, landowners were called villars. In North India, rich grahapatis own most of the land, and there were small cultivate जिसे हम कृषक्स कहते हैं, और जो लैंडलेस लेबर होते थे जो वर्क करते थे दूसरे के लैंड पे उनको हम क्या कहते हैं खादिसिया, और आदिमाली इन साउथ इंडिया, और करमकारा और दसाई नॉर्थ के। वहीं ऑक्यूपेशन की बात करें, एग्रीकल्चर सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है। डेवलपमेंट ऑफ न्यू टूल्स एंड मशीन्स वर ग्रेटली इंक्रीज इन द प्रोडक्शन। ठीक है, लैंड अंडर कल्टिवेशन लेड्स टू एग्रीकल्चर इंटेंसिफिकेशन। आयरन टूल्स जैसा आपकी एक्सेस हो गया और आपका आयरन क्लो शेयर हो गया, ये वर ग्रेटली यूज्ड इन एग्रीकल्चर। ये किस में हेल्प करता था? क्लियरिंग ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, राइट। कल्टिवेट फूड क्रॉप, द फील्ड वर बीइंग प्लोड विद द हेल्प ऑफ iron plowshare, and people were able to produce more from same piece of land. Agricultural production was an important in the field by irrigation through canal, wells, tanks, and artificial lakes. Some of the stages in the construction of irrigation work were also things made money for armies, palaces, and forts. Next is they demanded taxes from farmers. Farmers had to increase production to pay taxes. This was possible with irrigation. And next is king provided what? Money. Money provide karta. And irrigation world, labor was provided by people, production increase, revenue increase. Farmer was benefited because जो crop production थी वो क्या हो गई? ज़्यादा हो गई। क्राफ्ट की अगर बात करें, villages had several types of craftspersons, potters, weavers, carpenters, blacksmiths, goldsmiths, garland makers, basket maker, and some people were engaged in ivory making, bead making. Later, with the development of towns, some of them migrated to the towns and cities. Right? Life in towns, the second amnet. The change from village and rural life to city urban life is known as urbanization. So, in fact, that greater agriculture production and growth of crafts and increasing trade and commerce led to emergence of towns and cities. Due to growth of large numbers of urban centers, this period is known as age of second urbanization. Because the first urbanization tha, where it took place in the period of Indus Valley civilization. Now, sources of information. There are number of literary and archaeological sources जो हमें इस पीरियड के बारे में बताती है. Among these mention can be made of Sangam literature, Buddhist Jatakas and accounts of sailor and travels, coins, art, sculptures, archaeological excavation, and which have yield remains of fortification, dock, reservoirs, iron, agriculture tools. Features क्या थे? These cities were surrounded by massive fortification of wall, right? Next is archaeologic finding, जैसे आपका रो ऑफ पॉट्स हो गया, क्रैमिक रिंग्स हो गई, जो टॉप से होती है बॉटम से होती है, रिंग वैल हो गई, एंड प्रोबेबली व्हाट वी यूज टॉयलेट्स, ड्रेन्स एंड गार्बेज डंप आल्सो, and sculptures carved scenes depicting people's lives in towns, villages, forests. They were generally used to decorate railings, pillars, and gateways of many. Next is several thousands of coins of this period has been found from archaeological sites. इनको हम पंचमार्क पॉइंट्स कहते हैं. So here salt was produced plentiful along the sea coast, and the merchants brought special gifts for the king, जिसमें आपके vessels of silver, singing boys, beautiful women, fine clothes और fine wines included होती है. Now various functions in cities, many cities जैसे आपकी पाटलिपुर हो गई, मदुराई हो गई, they were commercially important. जैसे आपकी मदुराई क्या थी, किसके लिए फेमस थी? कॉटन टेक्सटाइल. वहीं जो चीज पोर्ट्स है, जैसे आपका हो गया बारेगाजा in Gujarat, Muzurin in Kerala, Arikamedu in Pondicherry, Korkai, Alakkulam, Kaveripatnam in Tamil Nadu, and your Kodumandal in Tamil Nadu. ये क्या है? कुछ फेमस सेंटर्स है where jewels, iron and steels are, implements and textile were produced. वाराणसी किसके लिए फेमस है? टेक्सटाइल के लिए, पॉटरी के लिए, आइवरी के लिए. ठीक है, इसमें जो इम्पोर्टेंट टाउन्स हैं वो आपके मथुरा इन उत्तर प्रदेश, नागार्जुकोंडा अमरावती, कोंडापुर आंध्र प्रदेश, एंड मेनी टाउन्स एंड सिटीज जो आपके रिलीजियस सेंटर में होते हैं, जैसे श्रीरंगम इन तमिलनाडु, मथुरा इन अयोध्या इन उत्तर प्रदेश, बोध गया इन दिल्ली. राइट, दीज आर द इम्पोर्टेंट. देन अरिकामेडु, Pondicherry was a coastal settlement between 2200 to 1900 year backs. A massive brick structure was found and it was used as warehouse. There was other finds जैसे आपको pottery, मेडिटेरेनियन रीजन में आपको एम्फोर एक टॉल हैंडल जार देखने को मिलता. Right? It is named after Italian city. Stem wall was used and there was other kind of pot जिसको हम Roman design के साथ use करते हैं. We have small tanks, probably dye vats that were used to dye, and plenty of evidence have been found which confirm that beads were made from semi-precious stone and thus. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.